Hi, welcome to Spicy Latina Mom. My name is Laura and I'm very happy to be here with you creating this amazing pasta with no carbs. So this is excellent for people making keto and also for all the people making Atkins or low carb diets. You are gonna love it. The Weight Watchers points are appearing over here. So what we're doing is we're gonna make some like cauliflower rice. So I'm just getting the cauliflower rice. So over here I have all my cauliflower rice, all the shredded cauliflower, and I'm gonna put it in the microwave for 3 minutes. That's gonna help us to get rid of as much water as we can. This is an important step, so don't miss it. Hi, so my cauliflower is ready over here. It's very important that you let it cool down or it's gonna burn you, okay? So when it's ready, you're gonna put it in a grate or whatever you have so we can just drain as much as we can from the cauliflower water. Look at all the amount of water that we got. It's very important that you squeeze it and squeeze it and squeeze it until you get as much water as you can and get rid of it. So look, this is gonna be our dog. This is the cauliflower. Look how it became, all right? So now we need the mozzarella cheese. I just shredded very well, and now we're gonna put it in the microwave for a few minutes just to melt it. So I'm just spreading the cauliflower, and I'm gonna add the Parmesan cheese. And now we're gonna add the almond flour and 2 egg yolks and mix all together. Now it's time for the mozzarella cheese. Just make sure that if it has tons of water in it, just get rid of it. For this recipe, it's very important that we keep it as dry as we can. So sometimes you can also use the shredded mozzarella. It has less water than the fresh mozzarella. And okay, I'm getting rid of the water, and now I'm just gonna mix in here, and you're gonna need to use your hands to put all this together. If you are having trouble to stick the mozzarella to the recipe, just put everything in the microwave for about 20 seconds. You wanna do it like very little time just to help you. It's normal that you at the beginning have trouble to get all the mozzarella mixed up. Just keep on doing it. And what I did is just to separate my dog in 3 pieces. I'm gonna cover this plate and I'm gonna put it in the fridge from 10 to 15 minutes. I took out of the fridge my dog, and now what I'm doing is just small circles. I'm just pressing over them and just making the ends with a fork. That's gonna help us to make our gnocchis. This usually is made with potato. Papas in Spanish. But we're making it with all these cheeses and the cauliflower to avoid the carbs. This is ready, so it goes into the oven at 350 Fahrenheit, 180 centigrade, okay, for 15 to 20 minutes. You will know that your gnocchis are now well done when they become a little brown on top. That's the time to take them out of the oven. Now I have a delicious marinara blended salsa that I made over here that is gonna appear in my YouTube channel, or you can just use the sauce that you like on your pasta. I'm gonna add on top of my gnocchis. You can just add a little more of Parmesan cheese and decorate with a few leaves over there. You can use also basil, just chop basil, and this is ready. So, guys, enjoy.